Right now, as your body becomes still and your eyes close, something begins inside your head that most people never notice. Your brain doesn't just rest, it prepares to clean itself. Not lightly, not casually, but deeply, intensely, and with precision. Because all day long inside your brain, tiny traces of waste have been building up. Every thought you had, every movement you made, every signal your body sent. And now, in the quiet of the night, your brain begins to wash it all away. But here's the part most people miss. This system only works properly when you're fully asleep. Because what happens next is something your body has been waiting all day to do. Most people think sleep is just switching off, like turning off a light. But inside your body, it's more like switching shifts. Think of your brain as a massive factory. During the day, it's loud, active, constantly producing signals. Messages are being sent, decisions are being made, energy is being used non-stop. But every factory produces waste. Now imagine if that waste was never removed. Machines would slow down, systems would clog, efficiency would drop. So your body built a solution. A hidden cleaning network that only turns on at night. A system so precise, it waits until everything else quiets down before it begins. This is where it gets interesting. Your brain doesn't clean while it's busy thinking. It waits until you let go. In the first few minutes after you fall asleep, everything starts to shift. Your breathing slows. Your heart rate softens. Your muscles release tension. But inside your brain, something unusual happens. The cells begin to shrink, just slightly. Now watch this. That tiny change creates space between them. And that space is exactly what your brain needs. Because suddenly, fluid can move. Clear fluid begins to flow through your brain, slipping into the spaces between cells, like water entering narrow streets. And as it moves, it starts collecting waste. Leftover proteins, used chemicals, fragments from the day. But here's the part most people miss. This isn't random cleaning. Your brain is guiding it, directing it, prioritizing what needs to be removed first. This is stage 1, the opening phase, almost invisible. And then, everything starts to accelerate. As you drift deeper into sleep, your brain shifts into activation mode. This is where most people think nothing is happening, but this is where it starts. The flow becomes stronger. Instead of gentle movement, the fluid begins to pulse, wave after wave, moving through your brain tissue. Think of it like a powerful washing system turning on. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Your heartbeat helps drive this flow. Each pulse pushes the fluid forward, helping it reach deeper areas, helping it remove more waste faster. But your brain does something even smarter. It focuses on the areas you use the most during the day, the parts of your brain responsible for thinking, stress, decision-making. Those areas get priority cleaning. Now imagine that. Everything you use today is being refreshed right now. And this changes everything. Then you enter the deepest stages of sleep. This is the peak phase. This is where your brain reaches its full cleaning power. The flow becomes faster, stronger, more efficient. Waste is cleared out at a higher rate than at any other time. But here's the part most people never realize. Your brain isn't just cleaning. It's reorganizing. Connections between cells are being adjusted. Some are strengthened, some are removed. Think of it like reorganizing a complex network, making it faster, smoother, more efficient. And this is where it gets interesting. This is why you sometimes wake up with clarity. Not because you rested, but because your brain restructured itself overnight. And this changes how you see sleep completely. As the night continues, your brain slowly begins to shift out of deep cleaning mode. But the work doesn't stop. Now comes the after effect. The waste that was collected is moved out of your brain into your body's circulation system. From there, It's carried away, processed, removed. Your brain cells return to their normal size. The spaces between them close again. But something has changed. Your internal environment is cleaner, more balanced, more efficient. And over time, your brain adapts to this rhythm. It becomes better at cleaning itself, faster, more precise. And this is where long-term change begins. But here's the deeper layer most people never think about. You're not forcing your body to recover. You're not controlling this process. Your body is already designed to do it. You're simply allowing it, or interrupting it. Sleep isn't just rest, it's permission. Permission for your brain to do the work it cannot do while you're awake. And this is where everything shifts, because you're not fighting your body, you're either supporting it, or getting in its way. Now watch this. Researchers have actually seen this process happening. They've observed how fluid flow increases during deep sleep, how waste removal becomes significantly more efficient, and how certain harmful proteins are cleared out during this time. But here's the part most people miss. When sleep is shortened, or constantly interrupted, this system doesn't finish its job. The cleaning process stays incomplete, and that's where the real problem begins. Imagine stopping a cleaning cycle halfway through every night. Some waste is removed, but some is left behind. And over time, it builds up, slowly, quietly. You don't notice it immediately, but your brain does. Signals become less efficient. Clarity drops. You feel slower, foggy. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain didn't finish cleaning. And this is where it gets interesting. It's not about one bad night. It's about the pattern. Now imagine the opposite. You allow your brain to complete this process night after night. Something begins to change. Your thinking becomes sharper. Your focus improves. Your reactions feel faster. Your mood stabilizes. But here's the truth. You didn't add anything new. You simply removed what was in the way. Your brain became more efficient because it became cleaner. And this is the transformation most people overlook. Over time, your brain learns. It adapts to your sleep rhythm. It optimizes its cleaning cycles. It becomes better at protecting itself. This is internal rewiring. Silent, consistent, powerful. And it happens whether you notice it or not. So tonight, when you close your eyes, understand what's really happening inside your body. Your brain isn't shutting down. It's activating one of the most important systems it has. It's clearing waste, resetting connections, preparing you for everything that comes next. Your body isn't broken. It's responding. Sleep isn't just rest. It's a signal that tells your brain, now it's time to clean. Now it's time to reset. Now it's time to protect itself. And maybe the real question isn't, why am I tired? But, what process inside your brain are you interrupting before it finishes? What surprised you most about what your brain is doing while you sleep?